Dear students, in this video, I would like to teach exercise number 16. Exercise number 16 of lesson number 2. Traduisez en français les phrases suivantes. Translate the following sentences into French. Number 1. He speaks 4 languages. There is a subject, there's a verb, and there are some additional information. Now you need to know each and every word. You need to know what is he, the subject pronoun il. You need to know the verb parler, to speak, and it is a regular er verb. You cut er, you get your stem parl, and when the subject is il, your regular er verb ending is e. Il parle quatre. You need to know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So quatre. Languages, it's in the plural form. So in the singular, it is langue. Plural, just add an s. So finally, you will get il parle quatre langues. He speaks 4 languages. I have 3 dogs. I have comes from this very important irregular verb avoir. A-V-O-I-R. So when the subject is je, what's your avoir conjugation? Present tense, ai. And you need to know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is trois. And what is dog? C-H-I-E-N. In the plural, just add an S. So j'ai 3 chiens. I have 3 dogs. Number 3, her brother is tall. So you need to know what is brother. How will you say brother in French? Frère. This particular noun ends with an E. It looks like a feminine noun, but we need to know the translation. It's brother. It's a masculine singular noun. So what will be your her? There are 3 ways you can say her. Possessive adjective S-O-N, S-A, S-E-S. But since the noun after this possessive adjective is a masculine singular noun, we are putting S-O-N. And what is? The verb is. In French, it comes from the verb être, E-S-T. And the adjective tall in French is G-R-A-N-D. Her brother is tall, son frère est grand. Number 4, his house is big. House in French, it is maison. It does not end with an E. We think it is, sometimes by mistake, we think it is a masculine singular noun. But we need to remember that's an exception. It's a feminine singular noun. So what will be your his? It can be S-O-N or S-A or S-E-S. These are the 3 his. 3 ways you can say his, possessive adjective. But here we need to know maison, it's a feminine singular noun. So which option you will take? Not S-O-N, not S-E-S, but you will take S-A. And what is? The verb is comes from the verb être, E-S-T. And tall or big in French is G-R-A-N-D. But here why we need to add an E? Because here we are talking about a noun that is feminine singular. So we need to put an E at the end of this qualificative adjective. Sa maison est grande. 5th one, her friend is pretty. Her friend is pretty. So what's friend? Pretty will always use this adjective for a feminine singular noun. Friend, feminine, is A-M-I with an E. And what is her? It can be S-O-N or S-A or S-E-S. These 3 possessive adjectives we can use. But why we have chosen S-O-N? Because ami, it's actually S-A because it's a feminine singular noun. But can you see? If a feminine singular noun starts with a vowel, and if your possessive adjective ends with a vowel, S-A, S-A will be replaced, and it will be replaced by S-O-N. So instead of S-A, instead of saying sa ami, since the noun starts with a vowel, so we'll put, instead of S-A, we need to put S-O-N. The same rule, it's also for M-A will change to M-O-N before a feminine singular noun starting with a vowel. T-A will become T-O-N before a feminine singular noun starting with a vowel. So here, Sa ami has become son ami. EST we know is jolie, is Joli, is pretty. But here we're talking about feminine singular, so we need to add an E at the end. Son ami est jolie. So we think changing from doing the translation is so easy. It's easy to change from French to English, but it's not so easy to change from English to French. So each and every word we need to analyze, think of the rules, the grammar, and then change from and then translate the English sentences into French. Please go through this video one more time and I'm sure you'll be able to understand this exercise well. Thank you.